My personal price prediction for Quant at the peak of this next bull run is going to be right around Bitcoin is up at $42,000. Altcoins are starting to pump like crazy. The market is getting exciting again, which means it is time to start doing some realistic price predictions. What's going on, everybody? My name is Chino. Welcome back to my channel where we talk about everything crypto. In today's video, we're going to be discussing Quant's price chart, and we're going to be taking a look at just how high Quant can get at the peak of the next bull run. Before we jump in, make sure to like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you guys can stay up to date. And if you only do one of those at all, please hit that like button. Quick disclaimer, nothing in this video is financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and I highly encourage you doing your own research. This is the Quant price chart. We're gonna keep this very simple, just like we have in the past. Throw a Fibonacci extension on this guy. The top of the market in 2021 for Quant was about $429, and at the bottom, it was about $40. If we throw a Fibonacci extension on those two values, we get Quant getting up to $1,686. Keep that number in mind because we're gonna go take a look at Quant's market cap chart next. Here we got Quant's market cap chart. It peaked at about 4.77 billion in 2021, and it came all the way down to about 579 million in 2022. So this is that same market cap drawn out to the best of my abilities. And the reason I wanted to get this in trading view so that I could add my indicators, my Fibonacci extensions on it. I couldn't add that in. For some reason, they don't have a market cap chart already for Quant, so I had to make my own. So anyway, those two values, 4.7 billion at the peak of 2021 and at the bottom of 2022, about 570 something million. Okay, let's put a Fibonacci extension on those two values, and it has Quant getting up to about an $18.82 billion market cap. So now we need to do some math. So let's get the calculator out. All right, we got $18.82 billion, and Quant's market cap right now is about 1.22 billion. So getting the calculator divided by 1.22, that gives us a 15.42x from here. And if Quant's price is $101.23, you multiply that by 101, we have Quant getting up to about $1,550. So now we have this range of like $1,500 to about $1,700, right? Which is pretty close to each other and is about a 15x from the current value. That's not too bad, if you ask me. Now, one other thing that I have to point out is Quant, one of their best characteristics is their tokenomics. It's as good as it gets for any project. So here's a look at the tokenomics. Circulating supply is 14.5 million, and the total max supply is 14.6 million. That's about 99% of the supply is already in circulation, which means that inflation is basically non-existent for Quant. So if Quant is nothing else at all, it has no utility, at the very least, it is a phenomenal store of value with almost zero inflation. And just for reference, Bitcoin has a total supply of 21 million tokens. Quant has a total supply of 14 million tokens. So there's less Quant. I'm not saying that Quant is going to do what Bitcoin is doing because Bitcoin is obviously king. But I'm just saying the upside could be very heavy for Quant. The other thing we have to say about Quant is the utility of the project is insane, and the CEO, Gilbert Verdian, is an absolute beast. His resume is absolutely loaded. Take a look at this. This guy has held executive positions at major financial institutions, MasterCard, PwC, the Ministry of Justice, BP, digital security, in cybersecurity and digital security, HSBC, the HM Treasury. He's held these positions at financial institutions, major corporations, and the government in the UK. His resume couldn't be better for the type of project that he's leading. So that gives you more confidence. That gives me more confidence in Quant. All right, guys. So my personal price prediction for Quant at the peak of this next bull run is going to be right around that $1,600, $1,700 range. But I wouldn't be surprised if it does soar past it. I mean, like I said, it's a very strong project. It has insane tokenomics. The CEO and the team, they're making moves right now. It's one of the strongest projects out there, which is why the market cap is already at $1.2 billion. All right, that's all I got for you for today. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell if you enjoyed the video, and if you only do one of those things at all, hit that like button. It's the #1 thing you can do to help my channel grow. All right, guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.